Hey, what's up and how you doing today? This is not a clickbait title. This is guarantee sure. You can increase your audio quality for free like a professional. If you either make a podcast or if you make a video on YouTube or just send it friends. Often I see people who making just videos for fun, but audio quality is very important. So share this with friends, share it with people who want to increase audio quality, because I guarantee this video will show you how to increase your audio to professional audio quality. So for example, this is now recording on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Many people forget to increase their audio quality, or even they don't know that they have to increase the audio quality, because I believe with this echo here in the studio, it doesn't sound great. And if you now switch to the enhanced audio quality by Adobe, I believe now this sound even works. Hey, what? Did you hear that? I mean, this is insane. And by the way, I'm not sponsored by Adobe. I wish, but I'm not. And I'm super surprised how good is the audio quality. Now I'm thinking, what if I'm using my action cam? Because I like to film with the Insta360 One a lot. The audio quality is really not good, even on the action cam. I mean, it's better than before, like on the GoPro 11 or the DJI Osmo. But what if the audio quality sounds now also great from the Insta360 One? Let me check this again first with the echo here in my studio from the iPhone, and then I will try it with the Insta360, and then I will show you how easy it is also to make your file in Adobe to this audio quality. So for example, this is now recording on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Many people forget to increase their audio quality, or even they don't know that they have to increase the audio quality, because I believe with this echo here in the studio, it doesn't sound great. And if you now switch to the enhanced audio quality by Adobe, I believe now this sound even works.
So this is a good sign, because this purple flower is coming out now. It's 15 degrees Celsius. So that means for me the winter is over. And I'm very curious now, how is the audio quality out of my Insta360. I'm just 10 meters from a street. Well, some cars, it's not a big street, but some cars are driving here. There's a bus coming also, going directly from here in almost 18 minutes to Düsseldorf downtown. And again, I just want to check how good is the audio quality now with the Adobe Enhanced Speech. I wish that this issue is now over, because I love to film with the Insta360.
So I have no idea. My brain exploded. I don't know what your brain is doing right now, but I wished all the time, especially with the Sony ZV-1, the vlog camera, or the inbuilt microphone from the Canon R or R5 or the Sony ZV-1, or the action cameras. I know it sounds not really 100% perfect. Also on this situation where the bus and the cars and there are a lot of noise, but mostly this software are removing echo or some noises. So I will make a link also down below in the comments that you can try it. It's still a beta version from Adobe. You just simple drop any WAV or MP3 file into the download site, and then it depends on the size of your file that you have your enhanced speech from Adobe Podcast beta version. So I'm very glad, I'm so happy to show you this example of the Adobe beta version to enhance speech. I think it helps a lot. I think this year will be an AI year, 2023. And if you like this video, if you think it helps and also helps maybe friends from you, smash the like button, ring the notification bell, and I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.